Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go. Yeah, we might have to adjust the course just a little bit because we're a little close on that. At least the horsepower.
It's not power.
That's sticking a circle. It's like rocking top sucks so much.
I can't believe I fit through there.
Huh?
I can't believe I fit through there.
I know.
I didn't try it.
Yeah.
It just happened. There we go, Marcus. Got a good drift going.
Huh?
Got a good drift going.
Alright, I'm gonna change the camera angle here. See if I can get us drift around some of this stuff.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's your volume 2. That was awesome. I like how the intro turned out and everything with the video. It was pretty cool. I tried to make it look like a sunset vibe, and basically with me figuring out how to do intros, this is going to be a game changer for me. I can't believe how long it took me before I realized how to do stuff like this as well. It's basically making me really excited about my upcoming videos and everything. So with this video, this is going to be a part of a 4-part series, and so videos 2 and 3 and video 4 are going to be a lot better as far as the shoots go with the RC cars. So stay tuned. We'll catch you guys on the flip side. Thank you for being a part of Ubermove, and we'll see you guys later. Bye. Make sure you guys like the video and make sure you guys click that subscribe button. Thank you guys.